are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Diwali is on our next week and I'm back with a Diwali decoration video. Last year also I have made like 2 videos on Diwali decoration. This year also I am back with a very easy and budget friendly DIYs. These DIYs are very easy and you don't have to waste a lot of money to make this DIY. So please watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So now without wasting time, let's get started. DIY, I have taken this cardboard of 14 by 30 centimeter. First apply white acrylic color as a base coat. Next I am using this red acrylic color. So after it is dry, I have taken this type of lace. You can take any designer lace you have. So I will just stick them in all the 4 borders. After that I am using this Fevicryl outliners and going to write Shubh Deepavali. This 3D outliner you will get from any stationery store. It will be for ₹20. After our 3D outliner is dry, let's make some latkans. For that I have taken this type of pom-poms, some golden bells and some beads. First insert the beads in the single thread and make it double. These pom-poms and bell you will get from any stationery or from a novelty store. I will also link them in the description box, so if you want to buy you can check it out. So with the same process I have made like 4 of them. On the back side I will stick all the 4 latkans. And to hang it I have used this golden lace. So to cover all the mess I have stick this white paper. And yeah, our Shubh Deepavali hanging is ready. Make table runner, I have taken this type of printed fabric. The size of fabric is according to my table size. You can first take the measurement of your table and then cut the fabric. I have just stitched them from all the 3 sides so that the threads don't come out. To make latkan, I have taken this red color wool and going to make a tassel out of it. So I will do 30 rounds of wool. After that, take a wool and tie it at the top of it. Tassels are very easy to make. I think everybody knows how to make tassels. But if you don't know how to make tassels, you can follow this step. Now I am going to add some white color and some golden color beads and going to complete this latkan. Like this, make 4 latkans and stitch all of them in the 4 corners of the fabric. And our table runner is ready. This DIY is really quick to make and at the same time it looks beautiful. So first place the table runner on the table. I have decorated it with these DIYs. To know how to make this DIY, I have shown it in this video only. So watch this video till the end. For this DIY, I have taken this mud bowl. This type of bowl you will get from any terracotta shop. I have got it for ₹100. Next, to paint it, I am using this golden oil paint. So basically I have to fill this pot with water. So that's why I am using oil paint. Because if I will use acrylic paints, then there will be a chance that the color will come out. So that's why I am using this oil paint. This paint I have got from hardware shop. After that I have kept this bowl to dry for 1 day. Place it on the table, add water in it. Decorate it with some flowers. placing tea light candles and some more flowers. In this way I have decorated it and it was looking really beautiful. For this DIY you will need this type of small pots which I have get for ₹5 each. First I will do white base coat in all the 5 pots. After it is dry, I have choose some bright and festive colors to color it like orange, yellow, red, blue and green. Now to decorate it more, I am using this Fevicryl 3D outliners and going to make this very simple design. If you are watching this video till here, then do like this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel because I post DIY videos related to festival, home decor, room decor and many more, so please do subscribe. I have made the same design in all the 5 of them and colorful pots are ready. To decorate it, I will place the pot around the bowl. I will add flowers in it. Instead of flowers, you can even add wax and use it as a pot candle. But I have already made pot candles in my last year video. If you want to make, you can check my last year video. I will link that in the description box. So try to make this DIY for this Diwali and make your home more beautiful. That was Diwali DIY. You can also watch my last year video. I will link it in the description box. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone. I will meet you with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.